Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy put options on Fidelity. First, you'll need an approved Fidelity brokerage account. Make sure your account is enabled for options trading, which often requires a specific application and approval level. It's crucial to have adequate funds to cover the option premiums and understand the inherent risks before you begin. Options trading involves significant risk and is not suitable for all investors. Next, navigate to Fidelity's trading platform and begin researching potential underlying stocks. Look for companies you anticipate will decline in price. Once you've identified a stock, you'll need to choose a specific put option. This involves selecting a strike price, which is the price at which you can sell the underlying stock, and an expiration date that aligns with your market outlook. Now it's time to place your order. On the Fidelity trading screen, enter the ticker symbol of the stock you've chosen. Then, select the put option and specify your desired strike price and expiration date. You'll also need to decide how many contracts you wish to buy. Each contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Finally, choose your order type, such as a limit order or market order. After placing your order, it's essential to continuously monitor your put option's performance. Keep a close eye on the underlying stock's price and how it impacts your option's value. As the expiration date approaches, you'll need to decide whether to sell your put option for a profit or loss, or allow it to expire worthless. Remember, if the stock price increases, you could lose your entire investment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.